Most of us have data scattered across a dozen different apps, from Gmail to Drive. Google Gemini can now natively access those files, bringing your entire Google Workspace into a single, searchable interface. Using this effectively requires a shift in how we approach AI. It is no longer about testing a chatbot's personality, but about treating it as a functional engine for your daily work. In this session, we will use Gemini to transform a raw idea into a professional-grade script, a detailed research report, or a complex decision matrix. To follow along, you will need Google Chrome, an active Google account, and a specific task you want to complete. When an AI can see your actual documents and schedule, it stops being a toy and starts automating high-level workflows where you already work. First, navigate to gemini.google.com. Since this is built into the Google ecosystem, your existing login handles the setup automatically. I recommend using the Chrome browser. It acts as the bridge, allowing Gemini to communicate directly with workspace tools like Gmail and Drive. Once you're in, look for the Model Selection menu at the top to determine which AI version is processing your request. You will likely see Gemini 2.5 Flash. This is the lightweight version, optimized for speed and simple everyday queries. For this project, switch to Gemini 2.5 Pro. Pro is the high reasoning engine designed for complex tasks and deep data analysis. Selecting the Pro engine before you begin is the easiest way to improve results and reduce the chance of the AI making mistakes. One of the biggest mistakes users make is writing to Gemini as if they are sending a casual text message to a friend. A vague prompt like, "Write a script about fitness," forces the AI to guess your requirements. This leads to a generic, blocky response that usually requires more work to fix than it's worth. Instead, we use a structural framework for every prompt: role, task, topic, style, and length. By telling Gemini to act as a copywriter and focusing on a specific fitness topic, we get a formatted output with clear headers. Always specify your desired format. Tell the AI if you want the information presented in a table, as bullet points, or as a numbered list. The quality of the output is a direct reflection of how much detail you provide in the instruction. Precision eliminates the need for constant redrafting. Even a well-structured prompt needs specific data to be useful. This is why we use the File Upload feature to give the AI context. You can drop PDFs, spreadsheets, or text files directly into the prompt box. Gemini will then use that specific data to inform its response. You can also query your own Google account directly. For example, ask Gemini to look at your emails from the last week and extract a list of upcoming action items. To make this process repeatable, we use specific prompt templates designed for different goals. For creation tasks, use this. You are a world-class job role. Create, output. For goal, use style. Make it highly engaging. To learn a new subject, try teach me topic, like I'm 15 years old. Use simple examples and test me at the end. And for making choices, I need to decide between option A and option B. Compare them across factors and give me a recommendation with reasoning. Now pause the video, select one of these templates, fill in your information, and run it. By combining the Pro model with your own data and these templates, you have effectively customized the AI to act as a specialized assistant for your specific project. Review what Gemini just produced. Because you provided specific data and a clear structure, the result should be far more relevant than a standard AI response. This result is your foundation. From here, you can refine it further by giving the AI follow-up instructions. You can tell it to expand on point 3, make the tone more professional, or convert this entire script into a summary table. Let me know in the comments what kind of project you're building today. If you found this workflow helpful, subscribe for more AI tutorials every week. Mastering these workflows allows you to move from a blank page to a finished draft in minutes, giving you more time to focus on the actual strategy of your work. Thanks for watching.